Hey everyone, it's Camian Larson, home design and renovation coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. And today I'm going to talk to you about a really fun time I had with a friend this weekend, which was installing shelves. That doesn't sound like it's that fun, and it actually wasn't. It was a pain, but what felt so great about doing it was that once it was done, she felt so good about her space. She felt like it brought her freedom, it gave her opportunity to change some things around, eliminate some clutter, make things more accessible. There was a lot of benefits just to doing that, adding 3 shelves up high in some closets that could handle it. And that's what I love about reorganizing and really being thoughtful about your space and your stuff and saying, how can this function for me? How can I feel good here? And sometimes that's getting stuff put away, helping it find its place. So I hope you have places to put your stuff. And if you don't, and if it's stressing you out and creating some anxiety, take a minute. Look around your house, see where you can expand storage. So maybe it's not on the ground. Maybe you need to go up. So why don't you look at those spaces high up and see if there are some good areas where you can install some shelves, add some organization, and feel better at home. It's been a pleasure. I'll talk to you soon. Please leave a comment below and check out my website, camianlarson.com. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks.